Manufacturing operations is a career tech elective program in Parma City Schools. It used to be called Woods 1, Woods 2, but they changed the name to manufacturing operations, so we do a variety of different things rather than just making wood projects. They learn the different uses of the CNC machine by using the VCarve program. Also, we have a 3D printer that they can use and build their skills and knowledge from that. We have miter saws, table saws, wood lathes that we use to make projects and to build different challenges. The challenges being, I'll give them a problem-solving activity that they get in a group, and they have to try to accomplish it and see if they can overcome this challenge by problem solving and creating new ways to find out how it works. In these classes, you're going to learn skills that you're going to learn for life. The basic skills that you learn in manufacturing operations, you can take your junior and senior year, the different career tech classes that we offer, like carpentry, like in the welding class.